Possibly, hopefully. We get them on today. We'll see. I know, y'all probably looking like this. Transporting their wheels to their new home. Possibly, hopefully. We get them on today. We'll see. I know, y'all probably looking like this motherfucker's crazy. But hey. Mad scientist at work. So, customizing my shocks. The shocks I got are actually for a 2005 Tahoe. I have a 97. So, they were 7 inches too big when I had them on the truck. It was too much up and down, too much play in the suspension. So what I did was took a cut that extra 7 inches off, and then my old shock that I had, took and cut the mounts off, because the mounts of this were a little different, as you can see. They got more metal in them and less rubber, you know. So I had to do that because, well, if you can see down in here, I got them in, but I had to put that piece up there because it was moving around. It was crazy. And the bottom actually went in pretty good. There's a couple little pieces and shit that wasn't in there right, but for the most part, we gonna see how this shit turn out. This is an old shock, one of them. Took this old piece off. This is what they look like. The ones that come with the car. And now I got this one just a little bit longer than that one to give me the push-up. Okay, so we all set up the weld. I got this piece here. I gotta re-weld that. I brushed it up with my wire brush. I got that right over here. We gonna use that. We're gonna get it all welded together. I don't exactly have a shield for the camera, so I'll get back at y'all once I get this all welded up. Alright, so we got it all welded up. You can check it out. You see it's a pretty clean, pretty solid weld. I'm not a professional welder, but I've been practicing for almost a year now. Got a few different projects I've been working on. It'll hold. I know it'll hold. It's solid. Alright, so over here we got the original strut that I had on this car. As you can see, when I put them next to each other, see the size difference. One is 4 inches longer than the other one. And you see, I had to do a little doctoring to get one onto the other, but it's solid. It'll hold maybe a better connection than was on there in the beginning. And I got it on the car now. As you see, got it up in the original mounted position. If you pay close attention there, I had to alter the control arm to give it a little bit more travel room. I just sliced on either side. All right, so I got the 30s on, got her all washed up. Let's get the first look at my baby, all cleaned up. Oh yeah, 30s on there. I had to excuse the hood. Still ain't got my place up in the paint shop, but I wasn't gonna let it stop me. Projects over here. Starting over again. This one. Got a little special surprise for y'all on that one. Got this one. She's still around. I don't own them, but they still around. So. Got rid of that bumper painting.